he was never part of my bias line until today.
Right?
Oh my God, Mr. Songwa! Ano nangyari?
1, 2, sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong! This is Trency.
Hello, my name is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica, and oh my God, today is the day that 80s releases their 14th mini album,
Uh-huh.
The Golden Hour Part 5.
Wow.
We made it
Yes.
Part
from
5.
Part 4, and now sinusubaybayan na namin ang Part 5. And for this video, we are going to react to the title track, Bad.
Monica will convulse in excitement.
I
Her
know.
mouth will bula.
I know, and I'm so ready. Yung yung outfit peg ko ngayon ay
Oo.
bridal.
Brazilian bridal.
Pero pwede rin
Rosa
wedding
Clara.
guest.
Rosa Clara.
Kasi based on the teasers, mukhang
So-
may agawan ng bride or agawan ng asawa. So, ready na ako.
Pero
Pero
sorry,
kailangan
girl.
Oh.
Oo.
Ay, hindi. Wag mo sasabihin yan. Wag mo sasabihin yan na napakaganda ni Chase Infinity.
Ay, hindi ko
okay?
sabihin. Sabi ko napakaganda mo.
Thank you.
Ikaw yung pag-aagawan. Ay, si Chase.
Hindi ko kinaya yon. Pero kailangan ko pa mamili kung sinong pipiliin ko. Yun yung problema. Okay.
Dilemma of a lifetime.
Dami options eh. But yes, so this is 80s Bad music video reaction by 1 to Sarang. Let's go! I'm so excited! I'm so excited!
Yard.
You see that? 8 rings.
Uh-huh.
Ang taray ni Te.
Wow. Ganon.
Tapos Michael Jackson, yung ano.
Ay, ang pogi
Oh
naman
my God,
ni
si
Songwa!
Wow.
Ito Song Jung sa trailer.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Songwa.
Oh my God.
He's
oh my
blonde!
God. Yeah, he is.
No words, but say too much. Every time I wanna go and get gone, you stop me with one touch.
Oh my God.
You don't know you got me so.
We have a silver hair Lino!
Yeah!
Oh! What the hell?
Oh my God, San. I can't.
Ang daming babae.
Pia oh, Pia oh.
Ang daming babae.
Yosang. Ay,
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 o,
bride
diba?
si Yosang.
Bridal din
Bagong
si
member ng
Yosang.
Eyelet.
Correct. Iconic.
What the hell is that on your eye, Hong Jung?
Abot na. Na-hurt na ako. Nako, parang siya yung idol nung yung Jeyo.
O, diba? May sumusunod na naman ng mga babae sa kanya. Ito talaga. Kung maka-duckling. Oh my God. Mindy. Stop it!
Chili peppers.
I love this so much. It's
It's
back.
Ah!
Oh my gosh. I love it so much.
Ay, siya.
Ah!
Ano ba? Hindi ka pa nainitan, sir?
Wow. Uy, ang daming nguyong ano ah. Ay. Girl, naka-polka dots din siya, Pia, oh.
Oo, active nila.
Oh, wow.
Ay.
Oh my
God,
God.
the cleavage.
Nasa korte siya.
Oh my God. So,
Is he
divorce
the
na?
judge?
Ganon?
Kinasal ba sila? Walang pirmahan ng kontrata.
Oh,
Grabe yung boobs ni
shit.
Songwa. It's the year of the under boobs, guys.
Correct. Oh, my
this
God,
is so
go
cute!
girl. I love it.
Sumasayaw siya.
Kaya ko rin, no? Kaya ko rin. 80s, look at me.
No.
my God.
Wow!
Is it done? Wait, meron pa.
Not
Bakit?
guilty.
Bakit may guilty bigla?
Anong ginawa niya? Dahil pinakasalan niya lahat, ganon?
May pinatay ba siya? Scammer siya.
Scammer. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Love.
Uy, yung sayo nun. Sobrang natuwa
I love
ako.
the
Kasi
song
parang,
so much.
right? Tapos parang si Chase Infinity took an Hollywood girl, part of a
True.
K-pop music
Dance
video.
troupe.
Pero sumasayaw. Kasi usually, di ba,
Correct.
ganda-ganda lang.
Correct.
Oo.
Di ba? Kasi she's
di ba
a great
K-pop?
dancer also.
Oh, kasi di ba nagki-K-pop cover siya?
Yeah.
Oo.
She does that talaga. So,
Perfect.
di ba, I love it that they
Oo.
incorporated that also.
I think it's my calling to dance as well.
Yes.
Come on. Uyong, I can do it too.
Oo.
Naka-polka dots din siya.
Kaya ko rin magsingsing na madami, Uyong.
Oo. Girl,
Sorry,
kailangan mo
pero-
malaki din.
Oo, ay, hindi kaya. Manipis. Pero
Wig na
like,
lang, wig.
naluloko ako kay Songhwa. He was never part of my bias line until today.
Right?
Oh my God, Mr. Songhwa! Ano nangyari? Naloka
I
ako
was-
sa kanya.
Diba? I was telling Trency nga na parang when they started releasing yung mga concept photos, like, why am I so attracted to Songhwa?
Oh my God!
Like, I see him as a really, really good-looking, a really, really
Yeah.
handsome, beautiful
He
man.
really
For
is.
sure.
Kumbaga, ano ba, pero wala akong, hindi ko siya crush. Like,
Oo.
I just see him as this Pero ngayon, parang, what is with this comeback for him? Like,
He's parang may ibang,
may
alam mo,
something.
Jumowa. Alam mo, Jumowa yan.
Oh,
Or
Kasi
nagpatan.
may landi eh. May something na datingan.
oo. Siya, no?
Oh my God.
Gusto ko yung
Ang pogi.
tan tapos blonde kasi.
Oo.
'Di ba? Yung ganong combo.
Correct.
Shucks,
so
hindi ko hindi ko
sorry.
in-expecto
Pogi
na Songhwa appreciation video pala siya.
Grabe
They all look
kasi.
good. Pero
Oo.
grabe yung dating niya.
Ibang
Like, oh my
Mr.
God.
Songhwa.
Oh my God.
Kaya siya ang opener. You know,
Okay, let's watch it again. Please stop and go this time. Okay, so this is our second watch. You know, I really love the colors. Like, look at that. Look at the tiles.
Yeah.
Look at that. Alam mo yun?
sobrang fun.
Oo.
And it feels very summery as their official summer song.
Na bad. So,
Oo, na bad.
ano pa rin? Heat pa rin. Spicy pa rin.
Heat
pero,
wave. El
Heat
Nino.
wave. Tapos parang ang ganda kasi parang, recently we were talking about how parang may peg ata yung mga music videos lately.
Yeah.
Like same color scheme, medyo in the
Oo.
dark, na nasa technically adrenaline. Parang ganun.
True.
Diba? And then everything else kind of followed na ganun yung vibes, ganun yung itsura. So, this is so
Oo.
refreshing for me.
Yeah.
Color! I
Correct.
love it. Ay,
Boy Next
tara.
Door's Adios is also very
True.
colorful.
Oh, yes,
Yung mga
yes.
summer songs, naglabasan ng kulay.
Oo nga. Finally.
Finally.
Okay. Ah,
Sobrang
diba?
fun ito. Naka-zoom
Sobrang
in ba siya?
nakakatawa.
Oo.
Ah,
Nag-zoom.
okay.
Okay, let's take a moment.
Look at that. Look at how beautiful that
Bakit
is.
parang sobrang lined nung lips niya dito? Ako lang ba? Parang sobrang prominent ng kanyang lips, no?
It works though. Look at that.
Oo,
I
yun
love
nga
this
eh.
look.
Grabe
So
talaga.
good. Pero para siyang Ano yun? Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
Char.
Diba? May hat din kasi siya.
Correct,
Hindi
oo.
siya naka-red.
Oo.
Pero parang ganon. Ganon yung nafe-feel ko ngayon kay Songhwa. Na hot.
Ano nakalagay? Dream. Nakalagay ba sa shirt niya? Dream?
Drool. Hindi ko alam.
Drew! That's you. Ah,
Parang yung mga collection ni the Pinoy designer, si Rude. Di ba yan yun?
Oh.
Yan ba yun? That would be cool.
Dreams.
Dreams. Oh, look at that.
Ang hot talaga.
Stuck on my tongue, no words but say too much.
Tapos
Every time
even
I
yung backgrounders, ang ganda ng mga outfits. Like, ang
Correct.
ganda lang ng pop of kulay.
Hindi ba ganyan yung suit ni Trency, yung picture natin nung from the olden days?
Yung
The
ating sa
dress
kaliwa.
in front. Oo.
I'm pretty sure marami tayong mga ganyan na
I think
poses.
kailangan natin
Very
itabi si
plaid.
Trency sa kanya.
Pero mas
think
maraming
kailangan
Trency.
hanapin ko muna yan.
Oo.
Tama.
Wanna go and get gone, you stop me with one touch. 어지러워 너의 그 미소.
I'm so sorry naman kay Yuno. Sino yan? Yung parang Frosty Boy? Sino yan?
Oo.
Jack Frost?
Si
Jack Frost?
Frosty
Boy?
Siya
Grabe
yung nasa
talaga.
likod ng flower. So, siya yung unang
Oo,
member na
nakaganon lang siya.
lumabas.
In fairness, I thought it was Mingy. And then yung
Akala ko rin si Mingy.
Songwa, akala ko si Hong Jung. Kasi
Akala ko
ganun
din.
siya like Michael Jackson. And
Oo.
you know, Hong Jung does a Michael Jackson
Correct.
thing also.
Oo.
I love the surprises here.
I know.
May isa pa coming. And go.
눈이 멀었어 긴 your halo. 빠져버린 난
Look
이제
at that
보러.
guy.
I
My
feel like
God.
you feel like-
Ayan.
Sobrang nakakatawa yun.
Medyo, but I love it.
I love it so much. Everything's so witty, tongue-in-cheek. Tapos,
Diba?
pero sobrang contrast siya dun sa song.
Correct.
Ang galing ng... my God. I'm loving this so much.
Who is this Pinoy guy?
Huwag na
Yellow.
Latino naman kasi, girl.
He looks Pinoy.
Latino
Nakita ko siya sa
yan.
trailer. Nasa
Talaga?
ano siya. Tapos para yung mga Pinoy on Twitter, they're saying, alam mo, Pinoy to. Sure ako Pinoy to.
Talaga?
Gumaganon sila.
I love.
It's him. Oo.
Sorry,
You
song
know,
1 na
ito
naman,
yung- Ito yung honey skin tan. Oh. I can't.
Ito lang pala
I'm
kailangan
at a loss
para
for
ma-inlove kay
words.
Songwa.
Diba?
Ay,
Look at San.
sorry,
sorry.
pero nakisongwa lang ako eh.
Actually, ang tan nga. I love the tan nga in, well, except for puting tan pa rin siya. Maybe it's a silver though.
Actually,
also.
medyo,
And then the white
medyo excited
outfit.
yung pagkaputi ni Yuno kanina.
Oo. Kasi white outfit pa siya eh.
Oo.
Correct.
Correct.
People calling for the
Grabe,
shot.
grabe
She be
talaga.
going places with your
Sad.
Vegas. Now she don't stop. Holding in my God, 나도 몰라.
Malandi
ano?
ang babaeng naka-skirt na yan ha. Ang landi ng
Si-
tingin niya sa camera.
Sino dyan? Sino dyan?
Nakakaselos.
At least
Sino
sa
ang
akin,
awayin
Yung
ko?
nakaputi.
At least
Yung
sa
nakaputi.
Pero alam mo, ang ganda nung pagkaka-utilize nila ng mga dancers. Kumbaga parang hindi sila distracting.
Yeah.
Parang they blend in really well. And considering na parang outfit-wise, stand out naman sila individually. Pero
Oo.
maayos, I mean, hindi siya masakit sa mata.
Oo nga eh.
Nakukulitan din ako dun sa Chili Peppers because of course bouncy.
True. Of
Tapos,
course.
ang kulit
Kailangan
din dun
may
sa
ganon.
background kasi merong saan tayo nakahanap ng parang nagbebenta ng mga quesadillas tas meron ding mga biglang may Korean, may kimchi, ganyan.
Correct.
Yun. Crossover
Korean
kung
sweet rice,
crossover.
ano to? Ano yung Korean?
Sweet
ano yan?
rice punch. The
Yung what do you call
shit
that?
favorite ng asawa ko.
Sike.
yun.
Sike.
Yeah.
Yes. Ay, ginilingan tayo. Ito talaga yung Yosang Eyelet Core. Bakit?
Correct.
Bakit? And also,
Yosang
bakit
as
hindi?
a bride. Oo. I give it to him.
Parang
Only
siyang
him.
mag-it's me eh.
Oo.
Kasi may veil eh.
Di ba? Yung
Yung
veil
pa talaga
talaga
eh.
eh. Parang
Oo.
siyang mag-it's me. Okay.
Parang no questions sino magbebelo? Alam mo yun.
Ito na.
Sure na. Ito
Yosang
na.
na.
So maraming nilalandi si Chase.
Diba?
Ayun na nga.
Kaya
oh.
Isa-isa
rings
niya.
niya.
Yun eh.
Ilagay natin yung mukha ni Monica.
Oo. Jongo next.
Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na si Kapitan.
Shades pala siya. Akala ko naka-eye patch na
Eye
naman
patch.
siya.
Parang
So, shades
bringing
na
the
may
pirate
red.
core.
Mm.
Huwag natin daw kakalimutan.
Oo.
I'm so sorry.
kailangan.
Pansinin niyo rin si Wuyong. Meron din siyang konting eyeletness. Ayun no, may konting veil sa ilalim ng hat niya.
Saan? Yung ganun.
Ayun,
Parang
no?
lace.
Yung
Oo.
mga lace
Oo.
na, fringe
Di ba yung
na,
mga dating
oo.
kinakasal, ganyan din yung mga
Correct.
veil nila, yung maliit lang.
Oo.
Ayan na nga si Wuyong. Sabi niya, bakit si Yosang lang? Pwede rin ako maging eyelet,
Yung
ganon.
pilosang nasa likod eh.
Oo, yung sa
Oo.
kanya sa
Sa
harap,
isa
tapos
harap.
cute lang.
Oo.
Bangs,
Oo.
ganon.
Kasi naka-page boy hat pa siya, di ba? So,
Correct.
oo. Or military hat.
Sorry. Ay, ang sakit. Okay. G.
Ito mo, may flex pa, oh.
Ayan na.
Wala pa yata. Anong lyrics
There are two Mingies.
There are
Hindi.
two Mingies.
Mingi din
Si
sila
Mingy din
nasa
yung
likod.
nasa
Iwan
likod.
Migi to yan?
Oo.
Oo.
Ah.
Ito na nga yung ano,
Oo.
feeling ko idol ni Mingy, si Myung Jae-yoon sa pag-rap in Spanish.
Correct.
Sabi, nakita niya yung
Alam mo
Yorita.
yun,
Sabi niya, alam mo ako din. Ganon.
Binubuhay
But
talaga
they
ng
have-
Latin America market nila.
Pero matagal
Correct.
na silang may Latin songs.
Oh.
That's
from
true
way back.
too.
Di ba worldly nga sila? Ang dami
That's
na
true.
mga
Correct.
Spanish
Ang pagbabalik.
Sobrang nakakatawa lang to. Kasi parang, you know how Mingy really, he's really such a Pied Piper for women. And this is it. Alam mo yun?
Visual representation.
Yes. Oo.
Of a
Buti
Pied
nga
Piper.
hindi sila tumatahol eh. Naging little ducks lang sila.
Sobrang sama naman kung pinagapang yung mga babae.
Huwag naman sana yung mga gano'n. Okay na yung
Oo,
ganyan.
This is
Oo.
cute. This choreo is cute though.
Look at him, pull them in. Ang hot,
I
ang hot.
understand.
Primo
I get it.
peligroso.
Oh, look at that. Ang cute ng ganun niya.
Ala,
So,
ala,
dito
ala,
pala,
ala,
pawn
ala.
shop owner siya. Yung palang peg niya dyan.
Ang kulit, so nakalagay din talaga yung kay Hot Chili Peppers. As an ano to ba? Si,
Yes.
si Hong Jong lang to,
Ole.
hindi pala members yung katabi niya. Akala ko, members.
Ito yung mga
Yung
ano
dancer
nila.
sa
Dancers.
kanan, parang si IN.
Or si Johnny.
vibes.
Actually, mas si Johnny ng
Wait,
NCT.
He's one of, kilala yan. Sorry, 18s. Hindi ko pa sila lahat. Pero yung BBT crew ba yun? Or something. Medyo kilala na sila
Parang may set
among-
dancer sila.
Oo, may set dancers, choreographers na kasi sila na. Basta kilala na sila. Sorry,
Yeah.
hindi ko sila kilala pa.
Oo.
But I will find
Let
it.
us know in the comments.
Cute nun. I like this song a lot.
Ayan na. Siya pa rin pala to.
Caught her in her webs. Vibe, she's spicy.
Ito na, kompleto na sila. Hot!
Sobrang hot. Si Mingy yun, di ba? Yung may bandana. Tama, di ba? Si Mingy yung may bandana.
Balikan
Go
natin.
back a bit.
Nakabandana.
Okay.
Ay, konti.
Saan?
Back pa.
Oh,
Oo nga, si Mingy na yan.
oo. Kasi siya yung nakasando, tsaka maraming ginto.
Oo, siya yung pawn shop.
Oo, pawn shop owner.
Oo. Love it.
Yeah, she's so used to warm and fresh, she's Mona Lisa. The way she
Anong
dances
kasalanan niya?
Oo nga eh. Feeling ko scammer siya.
Wait lang. Can we go back to that? It was another Wuyong moment. Did you see, Pia?
Yeah, of
Yeah.
course, the shoulder and everything. Sorry naman, Wuyong, pero nakisongwa ko ngayon.
Wow!
talaga yun ang
man! Wow!
Naloka din me. But you're still hot.
Okay, giling. Oh!
Yes. Kailan ko lang may high note.
Ayan na.
Oh.
Ito na. Makikita na naman natin yung boobs niya.
Diba?
Ang cleavage.
Dalawa yung ano niya eh. Dalawa yung door reveal pa niya eh. No?
Correct!
Parang, bakit yung ginawa yun? It's torture.
Isn't there
Okay.
this comedian who said that whenever you open French doors, you can't do it in a not gay way? You can actually do it in a straight way. Look at Songhwa.
Look at
I
Songhwa.
mean, I should send this to that comedian. Okay. Ang hot. Oh my God.
Grabe nga ang baba nung neckline.
Di ba? Puro boobs. Oh.
Oo. Hindi
Kaloka.
ko akalain na gano'n siya kabubelst.
Di ba? Ako din, shock din ako.
Oo.
I love this so much. Tapos kamukha pa niya si Julia Roberts doon.
With the hair and even like the cut of the outfit from Pretty Woman.
And the hat. Diba? That
Truly.
iconic polka dot dress.
Yes.
Oh, look at who you know.
Bakit si Yuno, mas gusto ko siya nakaakit yung buhok. Pwede ba
Really,
itaas
yeah?
naman nila? Oo. Ang ganda
Ako
yung
parang
mata
okay lang po.
Okay lang ako. Pogi pa rin.
Pansinin din
Si
daw
Yuno.
natin yung boobs ni Sand.
Correct.
Oo nga eh. Kasi nandito pa rin siya no matter what. Always here to
True.
comfort.
Grabe.
since 2000 Keme-Keme. Kailan ba siya bumatak?
Since birth? Since birth!
Nakakaloka yung choreo na to.
I feel like you pick like China dark dark.
I love it so much. I hate you. You're so gorgeous.
She's so beautiful.
Tama naman yung mga mata nila ng boys. Stop it.
Like, we cannot blame them.
Girl.
Like, oh my God.
Kung nandyan din tayo, nakatingin din tayo kay
Diba?
Chase Infinity.
And ano kaya feeling niya? I mean, kasi mahal na mahal yung 80. She is a solid
She's a fan.
80.
She's an 80.
Tapos,
Oo.
yeah, bias niya si San. As in
Correct.
interviews, she would always mention that she loves San. She would show like her photo card keychain thing. Tapos there's that famous photo of hers na nasa 80s concert, tapos ang dala niya is isang, what do you call this? Isang placard na ulo ni San. As in,
Oo.
ganun levels of fan siya.
Shit, ganun siya ka.
Tapos ganito.
Sobrang swerte.
Tapos,
sa kanya.
ang direction pa is, titigan niya si Chase habang umi-exit na.
Oo.
Oh my God, kung ako yun, mamamatay ako. Oh my God. What a lucky girl.
In fairness, deserve
I think,
that
ang
face
goal naman
card.
natin, di siya, ang goal natin ngayon is to be part of an award-winning film. No? Because she was, diba?
No, correct.
Para sumikat tayo,
She
you know,
was
magkaroon tayo
wearing
ng
what
Hollywood
film?
clout. Yung kay Leo, in fairness, magaling siya
Yeah.
doon.
She was in One Battle After Another.
Revolution naman ako.
Ah.
One battle after another.
That Oscar-nominated
Oo.
Yeah,
Diba? Para meron tayong
So,
Hollywood
ayun.
clout. Hollywood
Oo.
clout equals meeting our biases and being
Okay.
in their films, in their
Okay.
music videos.
Kailangan kasi siya, meron siyang opportunity to tell in her interviews na, yes, I love 80s. Yes, I love San.
Correct.
Kaya siya naririnig.
Correct. Hindi ba enough ng podcast na to?
Oo nga eh.
Ano pa kung kailangan gawin? Ang
Limang
dami na
taon
naming
pa.
minahal at minamahal at mamahalin pa.
Lagi kami nagsha-shoutout, lagi kami nagtatag. Kailan niyo po kami papansinin?
Meron kami mga full episodes of Dilulus.
Oo.
Nilalagay, sinasabi namin dun kung ano yung mga gusto namin mangyari. Kami na nag-iisip para sa inyo, ha?
Oo. Ano pa?
Saan pa kami nagkulang?
Oo,
Para saan pa yung mga outfit namin for this episode? Kakaloka. Lucky girl.
Lucky
But
girl,
yes,
lucky girl.
that was
But deserved.
80s.
Super fun.
Yes, super deserved. That was 80s Bad, our music video reaction. Please watch this space because we are going to do a full review of their 14th mini album coming up soon.
Yes!
14th, diba?
Grabe.
Mini album, 5 tracks. Ano nga pala yung pangalan ng Golden Hour.
Part
Part
5.
Part 5. Part 5
O, diba?
with
At least
5
ko na-
tracks.
Part 5. 5, yes, correct. That's it. Yes. So there, thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Sanahe! This has been fun. See you soon. Bye.